A Tesla Cybertruck was seen beaten by a Ford Lightning during a drag race in Sandunes at Moses Lake, Washington. The Cybertruck used in the race was a dual motor. One of the reasons for Cybertruck losing the race was due to the fact that it looks like the driver was not flooring it. Maybe it was driver's first experience driving on sand with the truck. Another reason why Cybertruck lost was because the truck was not aired down and was running at 36 psi and the Lightning was down to 20 psi. The Cyberbeast was less than a week old, had no spare, was advised at 25 psi could break the bead when drifting. The driver was overly cautious because he didn't want to break the axle. The driver intentionally didn't air down more to avoid needing to be dragged back, as there was no spare tires. We believe if the Cybertruck was aired down and in hand of an experienced driver, the truck could have easily beaten the Ford Lightning.